Dallas.
Yes.
Where are we going today?
Going to
A waterfall. We're going to paint Cedric's pumping gas. And we are getting ready to go to a waterfall, y'all. Hey, on a rare, non-rainy day here in Japan, we get to get out and have a good time and enjoy some fun, right? And you're wearing a hat. So, we're about to get on the road. We're about to go find this waterfall, and we're just gonna hang out today. Spend the day out, and we want to bring you guys along with us. What you guys say, Dallas?
Hopefully I get in the waterfall.
Hopefully you get in the waterfall.
Yes, I don't mean down. I meant at the top.
At the top of the waterfall, you're gonna jump in the water. You are?
Well, if you push me that way, no.
Cedric, are you getting in the waterfall?
Yes.
Yeah. By the way, you guys, I do have another child. He decided to make an appearance today, so that's a nice treat. So anyways, we're gonna see you guys at the waterfall. Yeah. All right. So one of the turn it down some more. All right. So one of the hardest parts about living here is the driving. When you're on a highway that is only 2 lanes and you stuck behind this, they driving very slow. The camera don't do any justice, but yeah, they're driving very slow.
They're driving about 30 miles per hour right now.
Yeah, yep, about 30 miles per hour right now.
60.
And we're on a highway. This is a highway. Matter of fact, this is a highway that you pay to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're stuck on it behind this car. It's true how.
How they hitting brakes for what reason? Do I get off right here?
No, we keep straight. So yeah.
No, they getting off.
No, they're not.
If I was on my bike, I'd zoom out.
So we just stuck. We stuck behind them. Yeah. It's true what they say about the driving. I'm not going to say what they say, but if you know, you know. All right, y'all.
Dragonflies.
Whoa, guys. That looks so cool. So we go from being on the highway to these cool looking rice paddies.
Why are you talking like that?
I don't know. It looks cool.
Yeah, but
Is that a river? I can't. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, that's what Sam Cooper going.
look at what?
Where? There's a river over there. There's on a rice paddy. So yeah, we go from the highway to the friggin' jungle, y'all.
Where the wild things are.
Where the wild things are. And the surprising thing about this drive, y'all, is the amount of vending machines we see in the middle of nowhere.
They seen a lot of stickers in there. So I'm hungry while waiting.
Like it's a alarming amount. But it's a pretty cool drive, though.
Man. I think there's somebody's daughter who's see that man.
It's got like dinosaurs on there.
So that we can't look in.
Is that those aren't dinosaurs? Oh, he just stopped out of nowhere. He trying to set us up, baby. Go, 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 go. So scary. There's no guardrails. This is a a two-way street. We made a wrong turn, but we are definitely in the thick of a jungle. We're about to come up on a waterfall. I'm gonna show y'all. All right, y'all. So we made it here. Finally alive, thank God. You should hear how loud the cicadas are here. It's crazy. Check this out. It's so blue. It's so reflective you can hardly tell. There we go.
I see nothing but water and leaves.
You see how blue it is though? Like what color would you say that is? Turquoise? We going in that? So they want us to go in there. You said who in there? You know Pennywise? Oh my God, y'all, I can't. All the stuff you told me that you see at work, I'm just imagining them hanging around in here. I don't want to go in there. Oh my God, I'm scared. Do you see anything? Oh my God. These people behind us. Oh, it's not that long. Is it long? I don't know what is living in your eyes. Oh, I see it. Look, crab.
Oh, I just see one of those baby crabs.
Come on, let's get the hell out of this cave.
It's even worse. It's like either jungle.
It looks like we made it.
You know what the sign says? The sign says, here lies the great waterfall of Tsuganeotoshino. Alright? Alright, then this right here. What? You going up? Like in these signs.
No, you can't.
Okay. Alright, we go.
Why? Be careful, the rocks will slip
Yeah,
you.
the rocks will slip you out, so be careful.
right, y'all. That was our waterfall adventure. It was pretty cool and pretty interesting. We saw the water was freezing. We saw some creatures out there. Monsters, demigorgons and all that. Spiders everywhere. I feel like I'm walking into a spider web. I don't know the name of this waterfall, but I'll put it up on the screen for you. But I think this is my first time, no, my second time going to a waterfall. But this was the best. It was pretty cool. The kids liked it. Did y'all like it?
Oh,
What?
look at my face.
Oh, did y'all like it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Stay on the side. Stay on the
I'm
side.
dangerous.
You said it was what?
I'm dangerous.
Kind of dangerous? Yeah. But we had a good time. So, we'll pick this back up when it's time for us to eat. Alright, so I'll see y'all in a minute. You are a master what?
Recordist.
Recordist. You should buy one. Show me your skills. I want.
Probably gonna ruin you.
I want to hear you play.
Take back to church.
Hey. Get it. You gonna get kicked out of here. All right, it's time to eat, y'all. And we about to eat at our favorite restaurant, possibly in the whole wide world. None other than CoCo's Curry. CoCo's Curry. Hey. Baby, are you gonna make it?
I did something, right? I don't know what.
Is it too hot?
Huh?
I think it's gonna turn red, y'all.
It ain't hard, baby. It's my
I think it's pretty good. I don't think that it's hot as people made it seem.
No. But I think the temperature, and then on top of that, but it being spicy. I think they put all the spice in just one spot, and I think I just didn't to that spot.
Oh.
It's killing me, bro.
Like it's a nice little burn, but it tastes good.
You ready?
All right, y'all. So we're gonna end it in the video right here. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. It was really fun to do. I had a great time with my family today, and we had some really good food. By the way, if you come to CoCo's Curry, get a 10 if you want to challenge yourself. It wasn't bad. I really liked it. It's my new normal. Okay, so let me get out of here. I'm about to go home. I'm tired. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for checking this video out today. If you're new here, my name is Vanity. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. And make sure you click the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload. So until next time, bye y'all.